Hello viewers, welcome to English Smart Academy. Today I'll discuss different types of sentences in very easy and simple vocabulary. So don't skip this video because this video is going to be helpful in your exams, teaching and everyday usage of English. So let's start. What are sentences? As I've told in my previous video, that sentence is a word or a group of words that gives a complete meaning. So incomplete sentence causes unclear message. It begins with a capital letter and it ends with a correct punctuation. Correct punctuation means our sentence can be simple, declarative or assertive, or it can be interactive. So according to the nature, according to the type of the sentence, we are to use the correct punctuation. Declarative or assertive sentences. Declarative or assertive sentences, this is the first type of the sentence. These sentences give information or state facts. So they just tell us what is happening, what is going on. They just add something uh, new into our knowledge. So I have given two examples. Number one example, the teacher is in the class. Here we come to know that there is a teacher who is teaching the students. And the second example is the earth moves around the sun. Here this is the fact, this is the reality that earth is moving around the sun. Positive and negative assertive sentences. Positive assertive sentences, we use positive assertion in our sentences without using the word not. When we use the word not, it is the negative assertion. So positive and negative assertive can be in the form of active, passive and simple sentences. So let's see our examples. Number one example is she goes to school. Here you can see this is the positive assertive sentence and the structure of this sentence is. Second example, she does not go to school. So this is negative assertive sentence and both she goes positive and negative. Here the structure of both sentences is active. Children are scalded, this is positive assertive sentence, and children are not scalded, this is negative assertive sentence, and the structure of these both sentences is passive. Next, third example is Ali is a doctor, this is positive assertive sentence, and Ali is not a doctor, this is negative assertive sentence, and this is in simple sentence structure. Here you can see our positive and negative declarative or assertive sentences can be in active, passive or simple sentence structure. Next type of the sentence is interactive sentences. So these sentences ask the question. We have just want to know something and we confirm, we clear our queries, our questions, what we want to discuss, what are our problems. So here we clear and we discuss by using this type of sentence, by using interactive sentences. So interactive sentences end with a question mark. So at the end of the sentence we use question mark. So interactive sentences by using WH questions. WH questions begin with WH words. So what are WH words? These are what, when, where, who, why, which, whom, whose and how. So we use these words in the start of the sentence. For example, why is the sky blue? Second, interactive sentences by using helping verbs. So these questions begin with helping verbs. Helping verbs such as is, am, are, was, were, do, does, did, can, will, should, may. For example, do you like tea? So here you can see first word of our sentence is helping verb. Next type of sentence is imperative sentences. Imperative sentences give orders, suggestion, advice, request or instruction. So when we are to give order, we are to suggest something, we are to advise, we are to instruct, we are to request, then we use imperative sentences. And they start with base form of a verb, means first form of the verb. The subject You is understood but usually not stated. So by when we are using imperative sentences, we are not using the second pronoun because it is obviously that we are addressing to the other person. Negative imperative sentences are formed by placing don't or do not before base form of the verb. These are the examples of imperative sentences. Let's see the mode of these sentences. Number one, close the door. So you are ordering. Second, let us play outside. So you are suggesting something. This is a suggestion. Third, eat more vegetables for better health. You are advising. So this is advice. Do not smoke. Here you are using negative imperatives, and this is negative imperative, and you are forbidding someone by doing something. Please help me in this task. So here you are requesting. Last example is preheat the oven for 350 degrees. Here you are instructing. This is the instruction. So these were the few examples of imperative. Hope you have cleared the point. Next, imperative words. What are imperative words? So these are the verbs that give commands or instruction. They are bossy words which are used in the beginning of the sentence to tell someone what to do. Examples: open, close, write, read, sit, stand, listen, wait. Listen carefully. Exclamatory sentences. This is another type of the sentence. So these sentences express strong feelings such as surprise, excitement or anger, sadness, happiness. So we express our emotions and our feelings by using exclamatory sentences. They are used to make a statement with strong emphasis. When we are to emphasize something, we use exclamatory sentences. They are usually written in two ways. So there are the two ways. We use exclamation mark or we use exclamatory sentences. Number one, we put exclamation mark after that particular word that expresses strong emotion, such as hurrah, I have passed, alas, he has failed, oh, there is snake in my room. So these words which we are using to express our emotion, these words are called interjection. Second way of using exclamatory sentences, we use how and what in exclamatory sentences to emphasize a strong feeling. What is typically used to emphasize a noun phrase, and how is used to emphasize an adjective or adverb. We use exclamation mark at the end of the sentence. The previous way of using, there was the sign of exclamation mark after one word, after interjection, but here after the complete sentence we end the exclamation mark. So usage of exclamation mark varies according to the type. So these are the examples of exclamatory sentences. Number one, what a beautiful day. So here we are using noun phrase, and at the end of the sentence there is sign of exclamation. What a rude person. Again, this is noun phrase, and at the end of the sentence sign of exclamation. Third, how beautiful she is. Here adjective is used, and at the end sign of exclamation. How quickly they grow up. Here we are using adverb. Optative sentences, they express a wish, hope, desire or prayer. These sentences are used with the words like may, wish, would that, or that. They are punctuated with exclamation mark, or sometimes at the end we use full stop, such as may you succeed. Here you can see there is sign of exclamation, and second, I wish you a happy birthday, there is full stop at the end of the sentence. They are also used in two different ways. Number one, we use would that, I wish, or that to express a strong wish that is not true or unlikely to happen, that is impossible to happen, such as would that I were the king of this country. Here you can see the structure of the sentence. We usually use was with I, but here we are using were. Would that I had bought this car. Here you can see you are doing or you are performing something. You have to use had plus V3. Would that I were the son of a rich person. Here again you are wishing something which is unlikely to happen, and there is verb with I. Secondly, these sentences start with the word may to pray or curse, and we use exclamation mark at the end of the sentence. We do not put full stop at the end of the sentence. Number one, may you live long. Here there is sign of exclamation and the word may is used. You are praying, you are wishing a long life to other person, so you are praying. Second, may you fail in the exam. Here you are cursing, and this is the sign of exclamation at the end and start. There is a word may. Third, may your enemy go to hell. Again you are cursing to your enemy, and word of may and focus on the sign of exclamation mark. Summary of all types of sentences: declarative and assertive sentences, they provide us information. They can be in positive or negative. They tell us, they add into our knowledge about the reality or what is going on. And the second is interactive sentences, in which we ask something, we clear our thoughts, we clear our points, we clear our queries by using this type of sentence. Third, imperative sentences, which gives orders or requests. Exclamatory sentences shows our strong feelings, emotions, and optative sentences, they just express our wishes and prayers or our curses. So these were the basic types of the sentences which I have explained, and I've tried to explain in very easy and simple words. Hope you have cleared your thoughts, your concepts. If you like this video, subscribe it, comment it, and share it with your friends. See you in the next video.